In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize borders in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. To add a border to your video, click on the Canvas button at the bottom of the video toolbar. In the Canvas menu, click on the color option. Choose your desired color from the color palette. If you want to customize or add your color combination, select the rainbow color button. Here you can also use the color picker, drag it to the previous screen, and choose from the available colors from your video to be the color of your border. Scroll up in the toolbar and decrease the scale to make the border appear around your video in the previous screen. Let's decrease the scale to 90%. If you want to make your border larger, just decrease the scale of your video. Now, if you want to change the color of the border, just go back to Canvas and select the color that you want. As you can see, the border on the sides is much wider than the border from the top and the bottom. To fix this, right-click on the video layer and select the Create Compound Clip. After doing that, right-click on the video again and select Edit. Go to Crop. Adjust the edges of the crop tool to have a uniform border size. Go back to Scale and resize it to 70%. If you want to have a unique style video, go back to Canvas and select Style. Browse through the available designs and apply it to your video to have a background image. Play back your video to see how the border looks. Make any necessary adjustment to ensure the border complements your video. Once you're satisfied with the border, click Export. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a border in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.